In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink in Slack. Hyperlinking is a handy feature that allows you to connect your messages directly to a web page or document, which can significantly enhance the way you share information with your team. It's not only efficient, but also makes your messages look organized and professional. And don't worry, it's a simple process that we'll walk through step by step. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open up Slack on your computer or mobile device. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your email address. You can choose to sign in using your email, or if you prefer, you can use your Google or Apple account. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the main interface of Slack. Here, you can see your workspaces listed on the sidebar. Next, click on the workspace where you'd like to add your hyperlink. Your workspace is usually where all your conversations and channels are grouped, so select the one that's relevant to the hyperlink you want to send. Once inside your workspace, it's time to navigate to the specific channel where you want to post the hyperlinked message. This could be a general channel, a project-based channel, or even a direct message with a colleague. Just click on the channel name to enter it. Now, you want to compose the message you're intending to send. Write out your message as you normally would. When you get to the section of the text that you'd like to associate with an external link, simply highlight the text by clicking and dragging your cursor over the words. With your text highlighted, look for a small icon that appears just above your text options, usually labeled with a chain link or similar symbol. Click on this to open a small window where you can insert your link. Carefully type in the URL of the web page or document you wish to link to. Double-check that the link is correct to avoid any dead links. Once your link is entered, you'll see an option to save your changes, usually located at the bottom of the input box. Click Save to finalize the hyperlink. Your chosen text is now linked to the URL you've entered, and your message is ready to send. Finally, look to the bottom right corner of your message input area. That's where the Send button is located. You can also press Enter on your keyboard if you're using a desktop. Go ahead and click Send to post your message with the hyperlink to the channel. And there you have it. You've just learned how to hyperlink in Slack, making your communications more dynamic and informative. Happy linking!